Howdy folks, it's Mike Drudge coming to you from Vaught RV, a 2023 year model 335 RDOK Jayco Eagle right behind me. 2023 first look for you guys. This is an RDOK, so that's rear den, outside kitchen, dry weight 10,800, 37 feet. Now this is in the Eagle trim line, and you're going to see a lot of consistencies both from the outside appearance and some of the interior appointments. But as we go around, I want to point out some of the neat new features that you're going to start seeing in 2023. I may go at a pretty fast clip. A lot of these features, like I said, are consistent from years past, but where they're different, I'll do my best to point them out. We have a little outdoor kitchen assembly here, and I have a drink refrigerator with a utility drawer right next to it. Now, anytime we have an outdoor kitchen, you're gonna have a platform here on which to put a griddle. So there's a propane quick connect under here, so this will come with a griddle right here next to your fridge. I can put a TV in there if I want to. Now, right away, cast your eyes upon the little camera mount above the entry door. This is new in 2023. You can get an optional 360 security camera package. So, historically, a lot of folks would ask me, hey, can I use the cameras as a security, feature? Unfortunately, you couldn't, because the only time they were powered on is when you've got it plugged up to the truck and they're sending power to those lighting locations or camera locations. Now we have a camera up there and a switch inside which I can turn it on and power on all those cameras. So it's a neat security feature. Of course, before we go in, we have nice pass-through storage that's going to look familiar to you. Motion sensor lights and TV hookups and power in here. So I have a lot of nice clean storage area. Now this is a full-time RVing coach and a design, so it's tested between 0 degrees and 100 degrees. It's also warranted for full-time RVing. Jayco's the only brand that will actually put that in writing. Even if you're in it full-time, the warranty still stays intact. All right, Jbl speakers inside and Jbl sound system on the inside. Thumbs up for that. Giant leap forward, because I'm a musician. I can appreciate really good sound. Speaking of what's on the inside, let's go inside and have a look, okay? Okay, now we're on the inside of this 335 RDOK. Rear den. Haven't seen one of these before. This is pretty neat. Very cozy rear den, rear living room situation. So, right across from my recliners, I have this smart TV on a televator. All the TVs in this coach are now smart TVs, including the one in the bedroom. Jbl electronics, Jbl speakers here, in the ceiling and outside. Of course, this is a fancy space heater. It's throwing heat. You can have it just on like this for aesthetics, or you can turn it on to knock the chill off this on a chilly day too. Storage is nice. We have smoked glass inserts on all of these doors. Jayco's always been famous for their cabinet build. These are solid maple drawer and door facings, and we have storage on either side. Now they put shelves in here too, which is new. You're going to see more shelves. This is another thing, thanks to you guys for commenting. A lot of the cabinetry next to entertainment centers were just open cavities in the past, and Jayco listened and put shelves in here. Yay, Jayco. Now each one of these are trifolds, so you can have 2 more sleeping positions in the unlikely event that your in-laws come along, somebody comes along to visit. Appliance package is going to be similar and consistent with 2022. We have a 3-burner Furrion cooktop, backlit display, small little oven. This is going to look familiar to you if you've been watching the videos. I'm not going to assume that you've seen all of our videos, so I'll do my best to point out features as we go. It's kind of neat how they've got these little cabinets angled here. Not a huge amount of space, but enough for those can of coffee, K-cups, and what have you. 4-door residential Whirlpool refrigerator in here. Very nice. Now this is unique on this floor plan. Instead of a traditional table and chairs or dinette, we have something in between. So Check out down here, it looks like you're at a nice fancy steakhouse with the footrail, so kids can sit up here and have a place to put your feet. So 2 people can sit up here. I've got 2 bar stools over there. It's kind of nice use of space. What do you think about this? All right, slippery. I think they waxed this. So what do you think about this? This is very, very different. This is the first one of these we've seen. At Vought, we do have 1 or 2, maybe 3 of these on video. On video. I just said video. On order. We've got 2 or 3 of these on order. But I'm curious what you think about this floor plan. Kind of liking it. Here's something else that's different now. Instead of having the sink in the outside wall where the slide is, the sink is moved over here. Okay? So nice big stainless steel single basin sink. This is consistent whereby you have your water spigot that's being supplied by a 5-gallon water jug that lives right down there. Now, why do we do that? So some RV parks you stay at, the water in the RV park, not so great. This way you're drinking and cooking water that you know where it came from. You have drawers, 75-pound ball bearing drawer glides, full extension. This is going to be true on all Jayco 5th wheels, right? Now moving on up, you'll also notice in 2023 even more USB charging. So there's just more places to charge your gadgetry. There's some here, there's some at the end of that table right there, there's some on either side of the bed, so just more of those. BM Pro system, so this is the brains of the coach. You can put this app on your phone and control everything from your phone that you can do right here. Lights, climate control, jacks, all the motors, everything. Ceiling fan switch is right here. I don't know why they put it here. A lot of people say, why is the ceiling fan switch in the hallway? It's because that's where they put it. I guess the wiring is convenient here. And of course, consistent with 2022, this is the grenade launcher button right here. Now that's called a thermistor. It's sampling the air temperature so you can stay comfortable in here. There'll be 1 here, 1 outside, 1 in the living room, 1 in the bedroom. Moving inside, you're going to see a lot of consistencies here. Most of you, by the way, we should count it up, said, yes, Mike, I like the blue. Apparently Stacy Stewart said, okay, thank you very much. I'll keep putting blue in there. First time I saw it, I said, I don't know. No, I think I like it. What do you think? Thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs in the middle. Let me know what you think. Kind of a navy blue. By now, you know I'm 6 feet tall, 185 pounds, so if I was 6'6", still plenty of room for me to get in here and do what I need to do in the shower. Going up into the bedroom area, this is our inverter control right here. Oh, looky here, and I don't know if it's on or not. Let's see, here's our security camera. Just happened to notice this, so wake it up here. So that's our rear camera out the back of the coach. The door, the entry door, still looking for a signal, our left camera, our right camera. So as long as this is on, I have views all around the coach back, including entry door. Really like that. It's something people have been asking for. You good folks have been asking for. So put those comments in there. Once these videos get a lot of views, it gets Jayco's attention, and they do pay attention to our suggestions. So good on you for that. Nice step-in, walk-in closet here. Clothes bar up here. Again, motion light, so if your arms are full, got clothes to hang up, that's going to pop on automatically. Room for the shoes and things like that. We are washer dryer prepped here in the closet, so you can add a washer dryer. King bed optional, queen bed standard on the Eagles. Pop this up. More storage under here. Your camera assembly there. Again, plywood on a Jayco. It's never going to be press board, particle board, that kind of thing. It's plywood on a Jayco. CPAP prep, so you got power on either side of the bed. If you have a CPAP machine, you'll have ready access to power for that. Smart TV here, smart TV up front. Love that in 2023. So we're in a 335 RDOK. Rear den, outside kitchen. Pretty neat coach. Curious what you think about it, though. That's the most important vote of all. Not my vote, your vote. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs middle. As always, if you've got comments, videos you'd like us to do, give us a shout. You have questions about a certain floor plan, give us a shout. Again, my name is Mike here at Vaught RV. I appreciate you joining me. I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions or any suggestions on content you'd like to see, leave a comment below. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks again from Vaught RV.